Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse your Google Play Store or use any browser on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So let's open Google Play Store first. And as you can see, we can't even open any app. The same as with Google Chrome, as if we try to open, for example, YouTube, there's a problem that our clock is behind. So to fix this, let's navigate to our settings. Here we want to find General Management, then Date and Time, and enable Automatic Date and Time. Now if we go back to Google Chrome and reload that same page, it works perfectly. And the same goes with our Google Play Store, as if we try to open and download any app, it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.